Tilda website builder tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a website using Tilda website builder. It is beginner friendly and easy to use, and you don't need to do any form of coding. In fact, with Tilda website builder, you can get started for completely free. Whether you're looking to create a portfolio, a business website, or a blog, you can use their platform. To get started, you're going to go onto tilda.cc. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on create a website for free and you'll be prompted to sign up. You can sign up using your email address. After you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can give your project a name. So I'll call my first project test and we're going to tap on create. After doing that, this is now your dashboard and you're going to tap on create new page in the top right hand corner. After doing that, you will be redirected to a new page, and from here you can choose a template. Let's say for example you want to create a blog. You could tap on blog from the top navigation bar and scroll down and you can see numerous blog templates that you can choose from. If it is a case that you wanted to create an online store, you could select store and you could select one of the templates. You could also create a link in bio landing page. You can create an event page if you want. There are numerous options that you can choose from. Now let's say we were to stick with blog, and I'm just going to be using, let's say, this blog. So we'll tap on create. After you have selected create, you're going to wait a few seconds, and then from there you will now be able to edit your blog page or edit your website page, better yet. So you can see it right here loading up. Now to get started, you can tap on any section that you would like to edit. So we could change the text. So you could change the text right there. Let's say I were to change the year. After doing that, I could edit the text. I can tap on the current pic and I could change the picture. And to overall edit it, you're going to tap on content in the top left hand corner. After you have selected content, you're going to see the option title. You could edit the title there, edit the text, and then you can also change the image by tapping on the pencil icon, or you could tap on the trash can to remove it. You could also change the background image by tapping right here. You could change the background image and you could upload an image if you want. You can also edit it to your liking. And this is a website builder that is quite easy to use, even if this is your first time creating a website. And if we were to go up to the top right hand corner, from there you can tap on a drop down arrow and you can see other editing options. And if it is a case that you, for example, would like to add a block, you can do that. By scrolling down, you're going to see a plus and you can tap on add block below. So you could add a text block if you want. You could add a cover, about, a form, button, anything at all that you like to add to your website. You will see that option from the left hand column as you can see there. And you can scroll down and continue editing. So you could tap on content once more and you could edit this section also. So you could make changes to it once it loads up, and it's as easy as that. Now to continue editing or adding more pages, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to tap right where you see surf day photo report. And from there you could create a new page by tapping on create new page. After you have selected create new page, you could choose another page. So you could scroll down and you could select a different template. So we could tap on blog once more and you could scroll down and you could select a different blog page if you want. So you could tap here and you could select create once more and you could create a second page. After you have done that, again you can edit it to your liking. So you can see it loading up, and again you can edit it to your liking right there. Once you're finished editing it, you can tap on preview in the top right hand corner. And if it is to your liking, so you can see how it looks, then we're just going to go back. And you can see the different pages right there. So we have two pages at the moment. We have the surf day photo, which is this one, and then we have the second page, which is daily notes. If it is to your liking, you can tap on publish in the top right hand corner. Then you could type in the extension that you would like to add. and you can tap on save and continue. After selecting save and continue, you can now preview it by tapping on open page, and you can preview your new website. So you can see the website right here. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.